This video describes how to use the Issues screen of the BCG Event Manager. The Issues screen is used for a number of purposes. First, it allows you to look at every single meeting in your event and see all the major fields. Second, it allows you to view how those meetings have changed over time by making a comparison with how they were and how they are now. Third, it allows you to make selections to send interesting emails and helpful emails about some or all of the meetings. And finally, it allows you to look at problems that you have in the meetings and fix them. So let's start with looking at the issue screen overall. You can see on the left, the first column is action. This will be used when sending emails, and I'll talk about it later. Second, you can see that there's an on column. The on column means that the meeting is still on, still happening. You can see here on the bottom, there are two meetings that have been deleted or removed, and so they are no longer on. However, all such meetings are always kept so that you can restore them later if you wish to. The third column indicates green or yellow. Green means there are no identifiable problems with this meeting, and yellow means something needs to be fixed. Next, the ID, the name of the organizer, the name of the partner, the name of the meeting, and how many people are going to be in that meeting. Followed by when the meeting is starting, when the meeting is going to end, whether that meeting's room has been made visible to organizers yet. Normally, this is not visible, and an administrator must manually set it. Then, the setup that meeting is going to use and what the capacity is for that setup. So, for example, this one is using the U-shaped tables and chairs, which in this particular room, the Oak Room, has a capacity of 16, and there are 12 people attending. Next, the room or rooms, if it's a multi-room meeting, followed by the charge code, the meeting group, if any, and then any special issues related to this meeting. I'll go through each of the important fields one by one and how to diagnose problems with them a little bit later. The next thing to understand is how to view changes since. That's this area of the screen. The way to think about this is to think, I would like to understand how my meetings have changed from how they were before this moment in time to now. So, for example, this meeting called How to Build Windows used to have an end time of the 5th of September at 9 a.m. before this moment, the 18th of June, just around midnight. But now it's ending on the 5th of September at 8:30 a.m. Likewise, this meeting, the best practices meeting, used to have no partner, that is, it was quote quote meaning blank, and now it has the partner Jane Schmeling. One more example. This meeting used to be in the Oak Room before the 18th at around midnight, and now it is in the Linden Room. If you would like to make a comparison based on a different date, you can come to the View Changes Since and say, for example, I would like to look at the changes that happened here on the 19th. And you can see, right now it's the 19th around midnight, you can see that all of those changed values in the start and end times, they were early enough that they have not changed since that moment. However, I altered this partner, and this partner very recently, and so they have changed since this moment. All right, that's how to look at all of the columns and view changes since a certain date. The next video in this series is going to talk about how to detect and fix problems and how to send emails to collect more information from your users based on some of the issues that you see. Thank you for watching this video.